You're talking to Daily Dose. I'm at taco practice. I think I have the same thing. He just gave me flyers for new people. I wanted to quickly show you the taco studio. We've seen it before. Hi. Hi. What's this called? What's this called? Shit, I'm not even a pipe boy. I don't have no say anymore. What do you say? This is a chudaiko. This is a chudaiko. Chudaiko, 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 oh daiko. The little one up there is shime daiko.
And this is money.
Money.
Look, it's money.
Ah! Ah! Yeah. Ah! And this is a fan. And these are our sensei sticks. And this is another drum. And these are bamboo. And they make funny noises. They're actually really annoying. Hi! What kind of piper? We have to figure out to sing a song. We have to sing a song.
But we haven't decided what.
We haven't decided what song yet. We have a day to decide. Alone in the moonlight.
Is this happening tomorrow?
No, on Saturday. I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then. I was never beautiful. I don't know what you're talking about. There was a curious cat. If you offer me a pheasant, I'd rather have grass. Mango, Jerry, and Rumple Teaser. I can do a lot of cat songs.
I'm hungry.
I know. We should probably go now. I can't answer any questions today because I'm not on my computer. So, but you can put more questions and I'll answer them tomorrow. Okay? So the ones that were in yesterday's video are saved for tomorrow's video.
I have a question.
She's a question.
Can I go to Starbucks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye! Question of the day is question of the day, question of the day, question of the day.
Question of the day.
Question of the day. We're singing cat songs. Do you like cats? The animal or the musical. And if you like the musical, what's your favorite song from the musical? Mine's the magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever a cat so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Ba, ba, da, ba.